Do you dream of financial success but don't know where to start? Many people believe that wealth is only for those born rich, but this is not true. Anyone can build wealth with the right mindset, knowledge, and action. In this guide, we will break down simple ways to help you start your journey to financial freedom. You'll learn practical tips to manage your money, increase your income, and build a secure future. Welcome to Profitability Plus. We help you build smart money habits for a better future. Keep on watching to learn valuable tips and strategies to grow your income and secure your financial future. Change your mindset about money. Wealth begins in the mind. The first step to financial success is to believe that you can achieve it. Many people think that money is hard to get or that only lucky people become rich. This is not true. Successful people think differently about money. They see money as a tool to create more opportunities. First, stop thinking that money is bad. Money is just a tool that can help you achieve your goals and improve your life. Having money does not make someone good or bad. It depends on how they use it. Second, learn from successful people. Read books, listen to podcasts, or watch interviews about financial success. Understanding how wealthy people think and act can help you develop the right mindset. Next, surround yourself with people who encourage you to grow. Positive influences will inspire and motivate you to work towards success. Then, be willing to take risks and learn from mistakes. Growth comes from experience, and failures can teach valuable lessons. Learn to manage money wisely. Before you can grow your wealth, you need to control your spending. If you always spend more than you earn, you will never be rich. The key is to manage money wisely by budgeting and saving. Here's how you can do it. Create a budget. Write down all your income and expenses. Make sure you are not spending more than you earn. Save before spending. Pay yourself first. Set aside at least 10% of your income for savings before paying bills or buying anything. Cut unnecessary expenses. Stop spending on things you don't need. Small daily expenses like buying coffee every day can add up. Use the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of income for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and investments. Increase your income. Saving money is good, but if your income is too small, saving alone will not make you rich. You need to find ways to earn more. Here are some ways to increase your income. 1. Find a side hustle. Start a small business or online job. 2. Upgrade your skills. Learn new skills that will help you get a better job or promotion. 3. Invest in yourself. Take courses, attend seminars, and learn from successful people. 4. Sell unused items. Turn old items into cash by selling them online. Start investing. The secret of the rich is that they make money work for them. They do this by investing. Investing allows you to grow your money without working extra hours. Here are simple ways to start investing. 1. Stock market. Buy shares of good companies and earn from their growth. 2. Real estate. Buy property and earn from rent or selling it at a higher price later. 3. Mutual funds. A safer way to invest in stocks and bonds. 4. Start a business. Owning a business can give you more profit than a job. Before investing, always research and understand where your money is going. Avoid bad debt. Debt can be useful if used wisely, but bad debt can keep you poor. Good debt is used for investments that can make you money, like a business loan. Bad debt is used for things that lose value, like buying expensive clothes on credit. First, do not borrow money for things you do not need. Many people take loans or use credit cards to buy expensive gadgets, luxury items, or things that are not essential. This can lead to financial problems because you have to pay back the money with interest. Only borrow when it is necessary, such as for education, medical emergencies, or starting a business. Second, always pay your credit card bills on time. Credit cards can be helpful, but if you do not pay the full amount each month, you will have to pay high interest. This can add up quickly and make it hard to get out of debt. Paying on time helps you maintain a good credit score and avoid extra charges. Next, avoid high-interest loans. Some loans, like payday loans or cash advances, have extremely high interest rates. These can trap you in a cycle of debt. making it difficult to achieve financial stability. If you already have debt, make a plan to pay it off as soon as possible. Build multiple income streams. Wealthy people don't rely on one source of income. They create different ways to make money. If one source fails, they still have others. Some ideas for multiple income streams. 1. Freelancing. Offer skills online, like writing, video editing, or graphic design. 2. Affiliate marketing. Promote products online and earn commissions. 3. Selling digital products. Sell ebooks, courses, or templates. 4. Rental income. Rent out extra space in your house. Think long-term and stay consistent. Building wealth does not happen overnight. It takes time, patience, and consistency. Many people fail because they give up too early. To stay on track, 1. Set clear goals. Know what you want to achieve financially. 2. Be patient. Wealth grows over time. Don't rush. 3. Keep learning. Always look for ways to improve your financial knowledge. 4. Stay motivated. Remember why you started and keep pushing forward. Building wealth is not just for the rich or lucky people. Anyone can achieve financial success with the right mindset, discipline, and smart actions. Start today by managing your money, increasing your income, and investing wisely. Avoid bad debt, build multiple income streams, and stay patient. If you follow these steps, you will be on your way to financial freedom. The journey may not be easy, but with determination, you can make your dreams a reality. Start now. Your future self will thank you. That's it for today. If you're ready to start building your wealth, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss out. Got any money goals or questions? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Keep going, stay positive, and remember, you're not alone on this journey. This is Profitability Plus, and I'll see you in the next one.